Every lady is out there craving after a good man. A man of quality. A man of substance and standard. Good woman out there, what do you really like? You like shrimp? You like vacation? You like lemon? Long and white like train line. Tell me what you really like. Me name Mr. Victoria. We give woman all good things. Babe, you know, really don't want me? You don't like Victoria's Secret? You don't like Pasta Pedic? Citron 90? Reflect on it before you say no. Think twice. Think twice. I want to like liquid. Come into my house this evening. All the good things is waiting for you. Grapes, shrimp, lobsters. Tell me if you don't really want me. Come to this house. I'll give you all that you want right now. My name is Victoria's Secret.
Yeah, man, see General with his wife, you know. Yeah, man, see Daniel with his wife. Daniel run the place, you know. What go on, Jenna? Everything good. Touch me, no, man. Yeah, no, yeah, mama run the place, you know. You see it, you know, man. So now go on with Bombo Clat. Yo, look how man them live good. So make them a girl can't live good with them man, we care them so much. And them a call them a people, a mad people. And look how man them live. Eh? Give a kiss and show them say, world say you love your man. Eh? Ma! John no General, you know say, me a give a thing still, you know, because you're my boss, you know. You see me? Because they don't know say you run what you know, you run the place, you know. A General run the place. Man and what they are two man to see boss, you know. So you say General, me a give you a thing, man. Don't worry yourself, man. You see me? Alright, yeah, mama go and hold it off. See? You don't know, you know, yeah, mama, yeah, man, or your man, big and serious. Give mama a kiss there and show her, say you love your woman, but our pussy then can't live good. Watch out. Where? Are you a boss? A up boss thing, see? Alright, my boss. Big up boss there. To the world. Oh, yeah.